Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest baby blanket you've ever seen in your entire life. I've made a few baby blankets and this one by far is the easiest. Right here I have my son's baby blanket. It's almost done, I just need to do the finishing stitches on the top, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So what you need is 3 of these balls of yarn. It's called Bernat Alize Blanket EZ baby blanket. I would get this one and it tells you exactly how to do it on the inside. And the inside flap gives you directions. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do a smaller one, but it says it wants you to start off with 50 loops. So I'm just going to move my project aside over here and start with the new one. So this is what the end of the string looks like. It has a little straight piece and then it goes straight into the loops. So I'm going to do a blanket probably of like 10 loops just to show you. So first thing you do is you count out your loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right here I have 10 loops. On the instructions it says 50, so obviously you would just count out 50. And what you do is you flip this over to the left. You want to align all, or to the right, I'm sorry. Line all this stuff to the right. And then with your very next loop, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my very next loop right here. I'm just going to literally back feed it into my 10th loop and pull it up. So if you can see here, this is my loop that's attached to this bundle of yarn, and I just literally thread it through and pull it up. And you want to do that to every loop. So here's the next loop. Here's my chain of 10, so now I'm on loop number 3. You want to put it through the middle, pull it up. Here's number 4. So you got your loop here from your big loop. Pull it through, pull it up. So we've done 4 already. You can see how the chain is kind of growing already. Let's do the 5th one. So I'm just pulling it from behind through the middle of the loop and making sure that it's secure. Same thing, here's the 6th one. And do 7. It's a little easier when you have a longer chain because then you can keep pulling it to the side, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do a small one. There's 8. Here's the 9th one. Just remember behind and through the middle. Here's the 10th one. Behind, through the middle. Now you have your starting stitch. That's literally it. And then you just continue going back and forth. So now that I have my 2nd row here, I'm going to continue taking my extra loops and I'm going to feed them behind these ones going back. So there you go. You kind of just, it's easier if you kind of like line it up with the direction you're going. But same thing, behind your loop that's on your main blanket, through the hole, just pull it up like so. And I'll keep doing this for a couple rows. This blanket needs absolutely no tools, literally just your fingers, which makes it super easy and really fast too. So if you have a baby shower to go to, or you know, you want to make a handcrafted gift, this is an easy one. Well, if you wanted to make a bigger blanket too, you could. See, now I have 2 rows done and 1 ready for more threading. So here is my final loop over here. I'm going to take the loop behind it from my main. I don't know what you call that, main source of yarn, basically, and keep threading it. The next loop goes into the loop that you're looking at. And you just keep threading and threading. The baby loop instructions that I got says it wants three bundles of yarn to complete the blanket. This one right here, that is a full blanket, is you need 7 balls of yarn for a regular blanket, 3 balls for a baby blanket. There you go. So now we have 3 finished rows. And once you are ready to complete your project, what you do is, so it's this way. So you want to go the direction opposite to your ball of yarn. So take my loop, put it through the center. We're threading it to the side. The opposite side. See? Makes a really nice final stitch on the outside. Keep threading. So instead of pulling yarn from behind from your main area, your main source of yarn, whatever, you're pulling it from the side, from the loops that you previously stitched. So here's the last one. I'm gonna lock it into place. See? So there's the end of your blanket. That's what it would look like if it was a finished product. There's the end stitch in the bottom part, the pattern. And then you have to cut this. So you want to cut in the middle of the hole so you have some give. So then you can tie this knot here to complete your blanket. All you do is you tie the knot to the last loop here. I just double knotted it so it doesn't get loose. And cut it off of the rest of the yarn. And then you just want to thread it through your previous loops to hide the stitch. There you go. Obviously, if this blanket was bigger, it would be easier to hide that. And you can just cut off whatever excess is hanging off. And then you cut this off down here where you started. And there you go. Obviously this project would be a lot bigger if you were doing the whole blanket, but it looks really nice and it's super soft and it's the easiest thing I've ever made. No tools, no weird instructions, literally just loop the hole behind it through the one you started with. You can make it as big or small as you want, and they come in tons of colors. I picked this color because my son's room is Lion King and also gray, so this color kind of reminded me of Simba, and then all the shades of gray will match really good in his crib. But that's it. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I made, if you've watched his nursery tour, he has some glitter letter blocks in that video, and I'm going to be making that project next. So if you're looking for another tutorial, that will be the next one. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.